Puy lentils, also known as French green lentils, are tiny nutritional powerhouses that deserve a special place in a healthy diet due to their rich nutrient profile and remarkable health benefits. Packed with plant-based protein, Puy lentils are a fantastic choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to reduce their reliance on animal protein without sacrificing essential nutrients. A single cup of cooked Puy lentils contains nearly 18 grams of protein, making them an excellent food for supporting muscle repair, growth, and overall body function. In addition to protein, they are high in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which helps regulate digestion, supports gut health, and keeps bowel movements regular. The fiber in lentils also plays a critical role in balancing blood sugar levels, making them a beneficial food for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. Puy lentils have a low glycemic index, meaning they release energy slowly, helping you feel full and energized for longer periods. They are also rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady source of fuel for your body and brain. When it comes to heart health, Puy lentils are an excellent ally because they are naturally low in fat and cholesterol-free while being loaded with heart-protective nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, and folate. Potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels by counteracting the effects of sodium, while magnesium relaxes blood vessels and promotes proper circulation. Folate, a vital B vitamin, supports cardiovascular function by helping reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid linked to heart disease when present in excess. The high iron content in Puy lentils is another major benefit, especially for individuals at risk of anemia, such as women, athletes, and those following plant-based diets. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen throughout the body, boosting energy and reducing fatigue. Unlike many iron-rich foods, Puy lentils are also an excellent source of vitamin C when paired with fresh vegetables, which enhances iron absorption. Another standout feature of Puy lentils is their impressive antioxidant content, including polyphenols, which help fight inflammation and protect the body from free radical damage. Regular consumption of these lentils can support a stronger immune system and lower the risk of chronic illnesses such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Puy lentils are also a great source of essential minerals like zinc, copper, and manganese, all of which are vital for enzyme function, metabolism, and immune defense. For individuals looking to manage their weight, Puy lentils are an ideal food because their combination of protein and fiber helps curb appetite and reduce unnecessary snacking by promoting feelings of fullness. They are also low in calories, while being nutrient-dense, meaning they offer maximum nutrition without excess energy intake. Moreover, Puy lentils are naturally gluten-free, making them a safe and nutritious choice for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Adding Puy lentils to your meals can also benefit bone health, as they contain calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus minerals that work together to maintain strong bones and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Additionally, they support healthy skin, hair, and nails due to their high levels of B vitamins and trace minerals. Beyond personal health, Puy lentils are also environmentally friendly since they have a low carbon footprint and require fewer resources to grow compared to animal protein sources, making them a sustainable choice for those who care about the planet. Cooking Puy lentils is easy and versatile. They hold their shape well, unlike other lentils, making them perfect for salads, soups, and hearty dishes. By incorporating them into your weekly meals, you can enjoy not only their earthy and slightly peppery flavor but also their numerous health advantages. Whether you're trying to improve digestion, boost energy, support heart health, or maintain a healthy weight, Puy lentils are a simple yet powerful food to include in your diet. Start experimenting with these French green lentils in your kitchen, and you'll discover how such a small ingredient can make a big difference to your overall well-being.